Uppal, RGI, Uppal Stadium. It is resonating with Messi, Messi, Messi. Everybody goes out there as he makes his way in. Phenomenal time here in the GOAT Tour 2025, and I'm Navin Shaurya alongside with Swarnalata right here, witnessing history in the making as well. This is such a proud moment for everybody as a fan, as a big supporter of the game. May it be any sport, fitness support, that is so real, that is so nice as he shakes hands first of course with Messi All-Stars 11, and then the officials Khalil and the players will all be nice. And there is Revanth Reddy, the man who scored the 4th goal. The signing of the ball happens as Revanth Reddy and Lionel Messi share a nice camaraderie as well as footballers, both of them.
With all the officials, especially Revanth Reddy and not lesser than the Messi, the legend, the GOAT. The ball with him. See the audience cheering up.
Awaited, and the diamond moment here. Yeah, the ball with Messi. Oh, the pass was far enough. The pass was far enough to beat the GOAT right there. The ultimate moment for everybody is right here.
A historic exchange between the Chief Minister and the legend. What a moment it was, Navin.
And also, more importantly, I'm sure Messi knows that Revanth Reddy has scored a goal against his team, against Messi All-Stars. But yeah, like we all keep reminding ourselves, yes, this is the friendly encounter that's going to happen as Revanth Reddy and everybody going out there and making sure that the fans are thoroughly enjoying this moment. But I'll tell you what, we also need to, highlight the other superstars have also been joining in with the legend, with GOAT India tour that's happening as well. So thanks to them. But more importantly, the sport is going to grow from here. Everybody will take a lot of inspiration from Leo. Everybody will make sure that they will go out there and try and at least have that physical fitness. Is that the goal? Oh, yes it is! The coach right there wanted to save that one. What's his name? We spoke to him right there.
Mr. Vinod.
Mr. Vinod wanted to stop a goal that was coming in from the GOAT, but the ball won it. The goalpost was beaten. Come on, Mr. Vinod. Can't be stopping the GOAT's goal. Yeah, come on.
They are exchanging the passes. The pace is hitting up the roof of the stadium.
No doubt. The adrenaline rush. The excitement as that are straight shot. Yes, it is. Yeah, the left foot comes out. We saw the 3rd goal also from Messi All-Stars as forward striker coming out with the left foot. And there was that easy left foot goal that we saw.
Yes, we have seen the Inter Miami setting their rhythm. And yes, they are going for a group pick.
Yeah, that's a moment, isn't it? That's a moment. And look at this. As the GOAT, as the legend himself, he's squatting down. He's squatting there, and so is Revanth Reddy. That is sports. It teaches you to be humble. It teaches you to be, inclusive. It teaches you to accommodate everybody alongside with you in your life. And this is exactly why we say you play a sport in your life, you will achieve a lot of things. Physically, mentally, psychologically, you're going to be fit and fine every single time. Play some sport, I want to say to everybody watching this live and exclusive on DD Sports and Prasar Bharati's all channels.
It's just awesome. No words at all to see this moment. Mr. Revanth Reddy, the humble person, setting an example for all the kids, young talents. This is football. Here we start today. And let's see the journey of football in Hyderabad in future.
I'll tell you what, you're here, right here from Hyderabad. I guess, you should probably go out there and tell your Chief Minister as well. We will want to have a phenomenal football stadium to going out there and if possibly done. I know the land acquisitions, I know all the process that's there behind it. Can't just keep making claims, but he himself as a footballer, I'm sure he can do a lot for football in the future coming days.
See, Navin, today is a magical day for the person standing behind him, the officials. See, the man, the match commissioner, Mr. J.M. Stalin, he worked a lot behind the referees or the football or the kids. What is happening here in the street, he's the man behind.
Yeah, totally. So I guess the Chief Minister has to work alongside with everybody, because today here we are having this football match in the RGI Stadium, a cricket stadium. But yeah, there is so much more nice that he can bring along. But having said that, huge, gratitude and applause is going in for everybody. As Suarez kicks it out. Oh, that was almost in the top tier. As Suarez's kick, that was strong enough to go out there and reach the top tier. And all the administrators now. Has Leo got the ball? Has the goat got his ball? Where is the left foot coming? The left foot goes almost outside the stadium, I should say, but that's even hit the top roof. Phenomenal. So much power there and so much love that's been shown in. Another kick. He's lining him up this side towards the stands. So yeah, all the administrators, all the stakeholders, everybody, thank you once again on behalf of all the football fans to bring the GOAT himself into the India Tour 2025.
We can see the fans enjoying the GOAT, the God of football. We can see the shots towards the gallery.
Yeah, the ball was lost. Ah, there it falls down. The ball was actually lost on the top of the roof.
The greatest to ever play the game, standing with his brother Sauraj and Deepal, surrounded by the love of Hyderabad. Tonight, the nursery of Indian football bloomed again. What a marvelous moment it was to all the fans over here in the stadiums. Even us in the commentary box, we are enjoying a lot to see the GOAT, the legend of football, the king of football. It's a fantastic moment to us also.
Totally. Suarez, of course, is his cousin. That's so nice that he accompanies him every time, and he's also got his name etched in most of the national competitions that he's been a part of as Revanth Reddy. And of course, huge support coming in from everybody to go out there and promote the game of football. And his tour doesn't, just conclude here. It's just a beginning. He was there in Kolkata in the morning. Now today here he is in Hyderabad. Tomorrow he is going out to Mumbai as well. Devendra Fadnavis, the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, is going to be there. And after that, of course, will be Delhi, as he'll probably meet the beloved Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji as well. So yeah, day in and day out. It's a very rare phenomenon, and the rare phenomenon is done by the most rarest player, the most greatest of all time players. That's why he's called the GOAT as well, isn't it? So take that inspiration in life and try and say, okay, whatever happens to me, I will not be bogged down. I will go out there, support my family, be with my family. That's more important, because family comes first no matter what. And even when they say, right, they say family and friends, right? You have your friends in the family, your friends are your family. Family comes first. Do everything that you want to. And now for Leo, the world is his family, isn't it? The football world is his family.
Of course, the man beside him, Rodrigo Deepal, we all say the little engine or Messi's bodyguard. So he assists Messi. And what a beautiful game. The combination we can see with these Argentinians, with Rodrigo Deepal as well. We can see Luis Suarez also.
Yeah, totally, no doubt. And his epic trademark, the get-up that he comes out with, generally. Of course, in this part of our world, we call it the briefs, the inner vests that he comes out with always. So nice to see all his tattoos as well. That's another inspiration. See, I'm trying to say, when people see players, they look up to them as stars, right? They look up to them as role models, like idols, like how Messi had looked up to Ronaldo himself, right? That's so nice to actually create that kind of an environment, that kind of a comfort zone where you look at someone else and then become what you want to become. As we also keep looking at a lot of sportsmen, a lot of players in different formats of the game, see them, take inspiration and grow. That's exactly what it is. And I guess football should grow in our country. We need to get that Asian qualification very, very soon. The process is on. Of course, there's a lot of other entities that should fall in place. But when that does happen,